Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Google Optimize for website testing, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using Google Optimize, first, visit the Google Optimize website. If you don't have a Google account, create one to access the platform. Sign in with your Google account to get started. Once logged in, click on the Get Started button to create your first experiment. You will be prompted to link Google Optimize with your Google Analytics account. Select the appropriate Google Analytics property from the drop-down list. Next, create a container by giving it a name relevant to your website. Choose the type of experiment you wish to conduct, such as A/B test or multivariate test. After picking your experiment type, click Create to proceed. Now, you must enter the URL of the page you want to test. Click on Add Variant to create variations of your original page. Make changes to the variation by using the visual editor or inputting custom code. Assign a name to your variant to easily identify it later. Set the percentage of visitors who will see each variant to evenly distribute traffic. Next, configure the targeting options to decide who will see the test. You can target users based on location, behavior, and other criteria. After finishing the setup, review all settings to ensure accuracy. When ready, click the Start button to launch your experiment. Monitor the results via Google Optimize and Google Analytics dashboards. Analyze the data collected to determine which variant performed best. Make informed decisions based on the insights gained from the test results. After concluding the experiment, apply successful changes to your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.